Well, heading to Otter Point. Let's see what the water levels look like after the couple of hurricanes that came by in the last month. Yeah, I got spider webs all over me. It's really overgrown. Alright, I'm going to shut down for a bit and I'll check back in a little bit. These little depressions are usually dry most of the year. I think I see an alligator head sticking out of the water. Way down there a little bit. Cool. A big oak, victim of the hurricane winds. See, the foliage is starting to change from pines to sweet gums. It looks like the trail's a little bit soggy. I'm really curious to see how far the river came up. Huh. This is some serious bushwhacking right here. I do like to play in the puddles, so I have a feeling most of this trip is going to be like that. Alright, but the water never usually comes up this high. I think there's a lot of cool carnivorous plants in that freshwater marsh. It's going to be swampy. I'm just curious to see how much the river went up. Alrighty. I'll be back in a little bit. Wow. More stuff falling down. Look at that. I think I'm going to end it here for today, though. I really don't want to do a lot of bushwhacking, but it's interesting to see what damage did occur. But I'm kind of pressed for time, so I'm going to head back to the truck and maybe in a couple of weeks when I clear the trails, I'll come back in. It's a little bit unnerving for some reason today. I don't know why, because this is one of my favorite places, but yeah, I just don't want to get super wet. I'll wait till it dries out a little bit. Besides, I'm getting hungry. A lot of overgrown stuff, which means ticks. So that's never pleasant. Alrighty, let's check back in. More time, I'd drive down the fire road, see how the river camp looks, but I'm really hungry and I need to eat, so I'll cut this short. And I pretty much know what to expect. The roads are probably flooded over, and the campground's probably flooded over too. So I know I got an unnerving feeling today. I got my bear spray out already, but I kind of want to get back to the truck as soon as possible today. And normally this is a place that I absolutely love, but it's always important to listen to your gut, and I always do when I'm in the woods. It's a weird noise. I could see, ripped my pants going over the barbed wire, but it didn't get the skin, so that's good. Alrighty, almost back to the truck.